season 3 Chandler Bing is my dream man. Like, are you kidding me? Hello everyone and welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name's Danny and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I just wanted to thank you guys right off the bat for all of the amazing feedback that I got on yesterday's upload. Reading back on all of your comments is without a doubt my favorite part about posting content. So the fact that I have a whole month ahead of me of posting so many videos just has me so excited. So I did just want to encourage you guys to remain as active as possible. I know it's going to be a huge influx of content from all of your favorite creators, but if you can say a simple hi in the comments when I upload, something as simple as that really does make my day. So I just want to say thank you, and I'm really happy you guys are here with me. I have had quite the Christmassy morning, if I do say so myself. I woke up, I made my coffee. I guess actually my breakfast and my coffee was pretty much standard, as I do every single day, and I have been doing since March. But after making my breakfast and my coffee, I came up here, I listened to some Christmas music while I did my makeup. I'm in the middle of watching a Christmas episode of Friends. This is season 3, episode 10. This is the one where Rachel quits her job at the coffee shop because she's sick and tired of it and then goes and works somewhere else. I also just plugged in my Bath & Body Works Wallflower in the scent Winter. So overall, I'm in the Christmassy mood in celebration for what we are doing today. Today we are getting our Christmas tree and I am so excited. My parents seem to think, actually no, my dad seems to think it's a little early, but I think since it's 2020, there really are no rules and we should get it as early as possible. So that's what we're doing today. I'm so excited, and it's just gonna be a good day. I'm in a really, really good mood. Hello? Hello? Oh, hello? So what time are we thinking of going to get the tree? Okay, sounds good. So I have a half hour, and obviously I'm not going to wear this. I would actually like to look kind of cute. 1, because I'm vlogging. 2, because I would like to get a picture. 3, because I love myself. So let's try and pick out a nice outfit. And this is what we ended up with. I'm wearing this sweater that I recently got from Aritzia. This was actually really on sale. It originally retails for $100, and I got it for $45, which was a really good deal. I'm wearing these jeans that I always wear. I can show you in the mirror. They're from Urban Outfitters. And then I just threw on my Air Force Ones. I figured I should probably keep it casual, but because I'm actually leaving my house today, I get a little carried away. In reality, not that different from something I put on my body any other day, but any excuse that I have to wear these jeans, I always take because I'm obsessed with them. They're so comfortable and so flattering. These are from BDG, and I would definitely recommend them. If I can find the link still, I'll have it down below for you guys. We are en route to get our Christmas tree. I am here with my father, and a song just came on and made me want to talk to you guys about it, because one of my all-time favorite Christmas songs is Cold December Night by Michael Bublé, and I find that every time this song comes on, because I'll always just shuffle my Christmas playlist and just let whatever plays play, and I find that whenever this song plays, it's when I'm doing things that make me particularly happy. It's not like a leisurely listening song, if that makes any sense. So I'm curious if, 1, you guys have never heard the song and what you think of it if you go and listen to it for the first time, or if you guys have a song like this in your life as well. It could be Christmas or not Christmas, but I think it's really interesting how it always just comes on at very distinct times, like right now when I'm going to get my Christmas tree. What's your favorite Christmas song? You don't have a favorite Christmas song? Are you the Grinch?
No, it's the one by Bruce Springsteen.
Oh, okay, that narrows it down. Not really, because they have a whole Christmas album. Santa Claus is Coming to Town by Bruce Springsteen? Wow.
Well, it's a remake.
Right. You're telling me Bruce Springsteen didn't write Santa Claus is Coming to Town?
You didn't.
Wow, that's news to me.
Beautiful?
Yeah, I love it.
Sorry about that.
No, I got it.
Give a woman a camera.
We got it! And it's so funny because we've been coming to this Christmas tree place ever since I was born. And did you used to get your Christmas tree here when you were little?
Yeah, it was located a little further down the road.
Okay, but you've been coming here like ever since you were, that's crazy. Because it's honestly, it's not out of the way, but it's definitely not the most local place that we could get our tree, but we're loyal. And we remain loyal to our small businesses. So we got our tree, she's beautiful, 5'6", did they say?
5'6".
And now we're bringing it home. literally never changed out of jeans as fast as I did today once I got home. It was really, really cold out by the time that we got home, and I was just feeling super uncomfortable. So I put on these pajamas because it only feels appropriate. I just made my family a cheese board, and I believe my dad just brought in the Christmas tree. So we're gonna have ourselves a little night. Hello vlog. How are you doing today? Yeah, that's the issue.
Because we always do the thing where we squint from far away.
Yeah, no, we're not done. This is bad.
It doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad, but you know what we need to do? We need to bunch it towards the bottom and then add another strand. This is why mommy usually does this, because she's a Virgo.
I'm a Capricorn.
You're a Capricorn, I'm a
Yes,
Cancer.
I said it.
Yes, good, I'm proud of you. This is growth. Anybody who watched my vlog during the summer remembers that moment when I had to break the news that my dad is not in fact an Aquarius just because he thinks he's quirky. He is in fact a Capricorn. It takes you a lot longer to do this.
No, you just need to do a whole strand on the bottom.
So we just pull down this strand and then pull them all down and then do another strand on the top. Just like that, we have a fully lit tree. It didn't come easily because my dad and I tried to do it and we did a very, very bad job, so we had to call in my mom for help. But now it's looking beautiful and now we can decorate. We get your seal of approval?
Yeah. Is that all the decorations?
Well, no, we have more in there, but those are usually the ones I put on my tree.
Oh.
Yeah, and I figured you wouldn't like those because they're $2 from Target. Just when we thought we were done.
You are not.
We are not. I'm gonna see
Oh my god.
front and center.
Yeah. Of course.
The tree is done and it looks beautiful. I'm here with my mother in the kitchen and we're making dinner. So we got an air fryer for Thanksgiving because since obviously it was a small Thanksgiving, much like everybody else, we decided not to make a full turkey and instead we made fried chicken, which sounds kind of strange, but it was absolutely delicious. And we have a really, really good recipe that I can actually link down below if you guys are interested for whatever reason. But we made our fried chicken in an air fryer that we got specifically to make the fried chicken. We did not own it prior. And since then, we've been getting very excited with all of our new recipes. So tonight we're trying 2 new things and we're making homemade mozzarella sticks. And by homemade, I mean we're just using Polly-O string cheese, but we're making them in the air fryer, and baked potatoes. We have our mozzarella sticks freezing over for the 2nd time right now, but we already did the breading and that whole bit. So once this is done, probably within the next 4 minutes, we're gonna pop them in the air fryer, and hopefully they come out good. I'm really, really excited. And then to go on the side, we got this as some dipping. I wanna put some hot sauce in that as well. I feel like that would be really good to make it spicy. How do we feel?
It is already spicy.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Spicy marinara.
Got it, I can read. Thank you very much. Here we go, moment of truth. Oh, oh my god, oh wait, my camera fogged up. Wow. I'm feeling so good right now. One, because this day was just amazing. Everything from the food that I ate to everything that I did. I was just feeling so happy and motivated all day. And it's kind of encouraging me to just keep those feelings throughout the rest of the week. And especially with all of these crazy changes that are gonna be going on soon, it's making me feel really, really motivated. So that's always a really good feeling. And also because I just figured out what I'm getting my 4 best friends from home and also some of my family members for Christmas. I feel like I've always kind of just been limited by money in the past, and I love getting people really good gifts that I think that they'll love, but spending money is always the issue. But now that I have an extra source of income, it feels really encouraging to really do like a deep search and find things that people are genuinely going to love, and I think I did just that. So it's nice to get on top of this early, and hopefully I can just get all of my gift buying out of the way as soon as possible so I don't have to stress about it as Christmas gets closer, but I'm feeling really, really good about it. And hopefully I can do a video about what I'm giving for Christmas. I've never done one of those and I always love watching them. So if that's something you guys want to see, I would be totally down to do that. But I feel like this is gonna end up being the rest of my night. Obviously I already have my pajamas on. I need to wash my face because I've had this makeup on for far too long, but it's been a really, really great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and that you're excited for more to come. I know I am. I miss vlogging a lot, and even just doing it these past few days it feels really good to be back. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you watched to the end, comment down below your favorite Christmas song, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.